How's it going, everybody? My name is Dragon Warlord and welcome to Euro Truck Multiplayer. Now, I have not been doing any gaming videos for the past couple of days because of certain reasons, but I'm back from a break and some animation. So anyways, this is Euro Truck Multiplayer. Now, there is a lot of updates that have gone on, one in which is this Mercedes truck here. I don't know if I've actually shown you this in another video. But we are going to go to Rotterdam in this game, or Amsterdam, because that's where all the nutter drivers are. Now, we're not going to go in these, no, my trucks. We're going to just go into one of the normal game trucks that we find anywhere. So, Amsterdam, what do we have in Amsterdam? Anyways, now there's not going to be many edits in this video because I have a lot to talk about, as I said in the other video. In a very short space of time, so this is going to be an update / Euro Truck video sort of thing. So if you're not interested in all the stuff I'm going to talk about, then you might as well just change to something else. But I'm pretty sure you guys want to know the updates and the stuff that's been going on, right? No? Duisburg's a good one. We'll do that one, Duisburg, with furniture in a Renault. Right, there's going to be a new Renault coming soon. That's one thing I know. Now, we are in Rotterdam, which is the worst place for the worst drivers, or is it Amsterdam? On multiplayer, some just crash into you, so we might see some idiots on the way. Anyways, guys, I've been having problems with my computer, as you've known, since it blew up. Let's just say since it blew up, yeah. I need a new hard drive because I've got a SATA 2 hard drive in here at the moment, which is running the operating system, which is slow. I did have a SATA 3 and that blew up. But I've also got another problem with the computer, which is the power box, or the power supply. Now, the power supply is where you plug in... Oh god, that is a small truck. The power supply is where you put in your power on the back of the computer, and that's failing on me because sometimes I even struggle starting the computer. So yeah, so because I haven't been doing many gaming videos because I've been doing animations, I thought I'll do a multiplayer Euro Truck video. And it seems to be running okay because when I had the old system on, it wasn't working properly, so thought I'd have a test out in the most populated places on Euro Truck, which is Rotterdam. So you might see some idiots. There's one there. Turkish. I'm pretty sure that would have been a red light. Look at him, he's just speeding away. Now, as update news for you guys, oh god no, my box is moved. Because of the problems I've been having with my computer, I could be getting a new one soon. But I need a job first. So I've been looking for some jobs, and I haven't got anything back. What is he doing? I can't exactly... There's someone behind me. Oh no, really? Not in the flipping recording box? Stay there. Oh god. That's still red light, that's good. Come on, stay there. Hang on guys, this may just be an edit, yeah? Stay there, you stupid box. It's a... There you go. Oh god, green light. Hello, sir. What are you doing? You're just patiently waiting for me to go, aren't you? Oh god. Well, I can see where this is going, don't we? We're gonna get followed by this guy. What is he doing? Okay guys, so there are one of the idiots there. Right there for you. Is he actually going to follow me? Okay, there's a truck coming that way, and there's a truck going that way. Oh sugar, go 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 go. So it is quite fun because you get idiots on the road. But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I'll be getting a new computer hopefully as soon as I get a job. Now my dad said he's getting £500 on the computer if I get a job to pay off the last 300. As the computer is 800 quid, but it'll be an i7. It'll have a solid state hard drive, so the computer will be able to edit and make videos quicker, and everything should be fine. Now I'm not getting the many views or subs at the moment. Don't worry, I'm not going to stop YouTube. I'm going to keep going until I get those views, and I'm trying to make my videos better than what they already are. Oh god. What are you following me for, sir? Who are you? What are you doing? And do I know you? What are you doing? He's going to pounce on me in a minute. I know he is. Who is he? Who the hell is he? Look, I don't know if you can see him, if my face is covering him, but he's there, just lurking. What if I speed up? I don't know what he's doing. Can you pee off, please? What happens if I cut him up? Oh god, I don't trust this. Foot on the back. Oh god. He's gonna probably turn around and go face first in me, so I am probably done for this already. But anyways, let's just continue talking until he does. Somehow. So there's been a lot of things going on around. What's he doing? Which is preventing me to doing videos because I've been busy. What's he doing? He is flipping following me and all. Come on, he's running out of road. Idiot. He's a Turkish guy, he's probably seen me before, I'm not quite sure. Easy. What is he following me for? Go away, Loris Quinn, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce your name, you Turkish shit. Loris is all I can think of. Ah, for crying out loud, go away! Please go away. I am trying to talk to my subs and viewers in peace. Sis. Oh, you are a bugger, you. Go away. God, this is gonna be weird now. I don't know, he doesn't seem to be knocking into me much, so... Shoot, I need to get in his lane in a minute. I don't know if I should be a bad driver and just knock into this guy. He's damaging my flipping truck. I don't know what I've got in the back. What have I got in the back? Furniture. Yeah, these are the guys you see near Rotterdam, guys. The idiots on the road. Don't know if he's going to continue or is he going to turn off. Please tell me he's not turning off. Oh, for God's sake, go away, you stupid idiot. Oh my God. What is this guy doing as well? He's trying to be a pain in the backside, that's what he's trying to do. I'll best following this guy. Okay, we're gonna drive away quickly. Go, come on, Renault, do me proud. Okay, let's go. If he tries to overtake me, I'll say no. Go crash, you stupid shit. Is he gonna chase for that guy now? He's damaged my truck. He's not as bad as all the others you see around, but I think that was all I needed to say anyways. I'll probably say it in an update videos, guys, because I'm concentrating this time. Yes, he is bothering the other guy. I'm not surprised if there's going to be a crash in a minute in front of me. Right. There we go, corner. Doesn't seem to be a crash yet. This guy is an actual pain in the arse. I don't trust this, but I think he's turned off his truck. Good. I hope he goes away this time. Don't see him in my mirrors. I think I'm okay. Whoa, that was bad. What an idiot. What an ass. He's damaged my precious truck. Whoa, he's gonna tip. Mind you, we're gonna tip in a minute. Jesus. Okie dokie. Let's just go. Oh no. Don't you dare turn in me. Good. It's just because he didn't have his lights on, so I was wondering if he was one of those dark pros. Anyways, so yeah, I'll be getting a new computer hopefully soon, as soon as I get a job, which I hope is soon. And I do apologise that I'm not making many videos of gaming, and I'm doing more animations. I know, guys, but I did say that in the update video last time, that I'll be making more animations. Which some of you guys have said, well, that's a good idea, because you're good. You're just learning. You're getting better at it, so yeah. Let's just chill and watch these idiots crash into me, I guess. Oh no. You are a pillock! What an idiot. Oh god, here comes another one. What an idiot. I hope he's damaged his truck badly now. He's not going to overtake me this time. I'll finish him off if otherwise. Go away, please. Jesus Christ. What is he doing? Seriously. Where are the admins in this game? It doesn't make sense anymore. There's been an update, but how worse of an update is it? I think he's damaged his truck. I'm hoping he has. Well, if I just hang on, I think I can type, can't I? To say you're on YouTube. Is it T? Is it Y? Oh yes, it is Y. Okay, I think that's probably put the message through. Oh, he's just honked the horn. Thank you very much, everybody. Hey. Nice. Wait, is that the guy behind me? I think that's the guy behind me anyways. Thank you. Just try and keep going, yeah. Well, at least we're knowing some more people this time, which is good. Very good. Is he still behind me? No. You're on YouTube, nice. Me from Spain. Okay, so the guy's from Spain. I might... I was trying to warn him against that guy that was in front of us before. So he might just see who I'm on about. Probably. This is actually a longer journey than I actually thought. But also an interesting journey because you got the idiots on the road. Like that guy in the Volvo. Whether he's following me or not, I don't know. Maybe he's damaged his truck so much he had to go back. How much is the damage on my truck anyways? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. 5% on trailer. What do I have in the back? Furniture. I'm sure 6 ton of it. Yeah, I'm sure 16 ton. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's the Renault that's got the most damage. It's a Renault, for God's sake. Who needs a Renault? Me, obviously. Oh no. Please tell me you're not an idiot driver. Thank you. I would normally drive in my own normal truck, but they're all damaged. No, they're not all damaged. They're all being used at the moment, so I want to try and keep the cost possible down so I can earn more. Even though I don't really need to earn more with the amounts I have, but it's a plus. So yeah. I don't know if I mentioned my Five Nights at Freddy's videos. They've got less videos, but I'll mention that in an update video probably. So yeah. Yeah, I'll probably mention the amount of stuff I'm going to say on an update video because I'm not having very good length of time to actually say anything in this because they're all just crashing into me, aren't they? So, but one thing I will say, there'll be more animations, there'll be more stuff going on. So, is this truck going to go any faster, seriously? Okay, we're gonna have to turn. I am using a manual gearbox for this still, and it is a bit difficult. As you saw before, I had to move boxes, but because I put a box there the other day because I keep pushing my computer back, which is not doing very well for my wires. So I'm on the wrong side of the road, and I have an engine malfunction. That ain't good. There you go. I do know I'll probably do some more videos with Scouser on this as well, because me and my dad, Scouser, oh, crying out loud, can I talk please without there being an engine malfunction? Me and my dad normally just go on Euro Truck, have fun, we have a laugh, and there's loads of people crashing into us. If not, we roll over and stuff. So we might make a video of that, because it's, well, sometimes I don't make videos because I am actually doing that, so it might be a bit more fun, and there'll be a lot more videos coming out for you guys then. And I'm just doing a tester now with Bandai Cam in the game, and it seems like it's running absolutely fine, so why not? It's not like I haven't had anybody next to me and anything, which I have, and I've had people crashing into me in this video, and it's been fine. The only problem I do have is the lag. There is quite a lot of lag in this game when you're playing on multiplayer, which, when someone's right behind you, that's not good, because you lag sometimes and you can just crash into them, and you don't actually mean to crash into them. Come on, Renault, you can make it up the hill. Right? Normally I'll have my cruise control on and have it at full pace, but it's not. It's doing that. And next gear. That's actually what they call the new Top Gear, next gear. Fortunately, it'll be on Amazon Prime. So. And brake. Near the finish line. Okay. After damage and crashes and many things been going on, I've finally made it to the destination with half a broken truck. There or thereabout. Oh dear. Engine's cut out. Come on. Oh god. Reverse it in. That's it. And I'm such a good parker, actually driving through someone else's truck. Okie dokie. Oh, look at. Oh, wait a minute. I did it, and I turned off my truck. How reasonable? I'd say that is reasonable. I tried to reason with the boss, saying that someone crashed into me. So anyways guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. There should be an update video soon, and more of this Euro Truck, and more animations, and maybe some Agario. But anyways guys, I will talk to you all about all the stuff I should have mentioned in this video anyways in the update video coming out soon. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. DWG out. No, 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 no. I'm dead. I'm dead. There you are. I got you there, buddy. I got you there. Foxy.